What's up, guys? I'm Justin from CBI and Prinsu. Today I'm going to take a couple minutes to highlight our new Prinsu tent mounts and show you how to get them installed. Alright, so what's included is 4 mounts, 1/4-inch hardware, and some M8 hardware. We're going to have 2 different sizes of M8 hardware because based on the tent you have, you're going to either use the 25mm long or the 30mm long. I'll give you a little bit more detail on how to determine which bolt you're going to use. Alright, so the mounts themselves are anodized aluminum, so they're going to be really lightweight, but really strong, and there's not going to be any rust issues or anything like that with these, so that's going to be great. Now you're going to see that these are slotted on the ends, and the idea is that these will get attached to your tent. You'll set the tent on top of your Prinsu rack, and then you'll be able to slide in your 1/4-inch hardware through the side right here and be able to tighten down these 1/4-inch flange nuts. Now this is also recessed so that the nylock nut fits right in there really nicely and doesn't slide around, so that's going to be a great feature, really easy to install. On the underside we have these machine grooves here that sit right in the crossbar and just kind of center everything up so that the mount itself doesn't spin at all, so that's a great feature. We also have a countersunk hole here, and the M8 bolts are going to sit in there really nice and flush and be able to mount to your tent. So every tent's going to be a little bit different, so let me show you how to determine which bolts and the configuration of bolts that you're going to use for your tent. Alright, so everybody that's running a rooftop tent has seen these guys. So this is what 90% of tent manufacturers use to secure the tents to the vehicles. It's generally with M8 hardware, and that's what we include here. And you can see these are 3 different pieces by 3 different tent manufacturers, and the M8 is going to fit in all of these just perfectly. So you can see this one just slides right in. So that's how that's going to go. Now the bolt is going to be where it's a little bit different, and let me show you how that's going to work. Alright, so let's get these installed on the tent. So I'm working with a 23/0 tent right now. It comes with these brackets here, and then we have our M8 nut in place. So I'm always going to start out with the longer, the 30mm bolt. We're going to slide that into the Prinsu tent mount. And I'm just going to get it started for right now, and then we'll slide it into the channel. We'll tighten it up, and we'll see if we've got the right length bolt. Alright, so we're going to slide this into the channel, tighten it down, and see if we've got the right bolt. Okay, so the bolt is snug right there, and you can see this is not what we want. So the longer bolt is bottoming out on the top of this channel inside the tent extrusion. So we need to go ahead and switch to the shorter bolt, and then we'll try this again. Alright, so I've got it snugged up, and you can see that the bracket is secure and the bolt is not bottomed out on the top of the tent extrusion. So we know we've got the right size bolt. So we'll go ahead and take this apart, and now you would install these on all 4 corners of your tent, and you're ready to get the tent on the vehicle. Alright, so now that we've decided on which bolts we need, we're going to go ahead and take this apart. We're going to prep all of our shorter hardware with a dab of Loctite, and then we'll reinstall them on the tent, and the tent will be ready to go on the vehicle. Alright, so with these attached to our imaginary tent, we're going to go ahead and slide in our 1/4-inch hardware with the flange nut attached. So this will be able to slide in underneath the tent. If your tent is a little bit tight with the extrusion, you can use a screwdriver to kind of push it in. The weight of the tent will hold these in place. Once you get it in there, you're going to use a 7/16 ratchet and go ahead and tighten these down. Alright, so I went ahead and installed the 2 tent mounts on the back of this, and we're going to put a crossbar on them just so you can see how it's going to attach to your Prinsu rack. It's just going to sit just like that, and then we'll slide in our 1/4-inch hardware and get it snugged down. All right, so we got everything snugged up, and you would just repeat the process on the front side of your tent, just making sure that all your mounts are nice and snug. So obviously with a Prinsu rack, you're gonna have a vehicle's roof right here, so it's gonna be a little tighter, but with a standard wrench, you are able to slide in between the tent and the roof line and get everything nice and snug. So I realized that this is not on a Prinsu rack, but it's easier to film everything right here at eye level, so we wanted to show you on our bed bars. All right, guys, definitely like this video, and please subscribe to see more like this. Thanks for watching.